Hi, I'm Kevin, filmmaker, actor, mushroom enthusiast, and the guy who believes that in a world full of rising prices and mystery ingredients, the best things in life are actually free.
Bon appetit.
That's why I'm launching Wild World Foraging, a YouTube channel where we'll dive headfirst into the magical and edible world growing all around us. My motto, foraging is free. In a time when eggs cost as much as your rent and everything comes shrink-wrapped in plastic and preservatives, I want to help people reconnect with real food, the kind that grows underfoot, overhead, and sometimes even in your own backyard. Expect gorgeous close-ups, wild plant ideas, mushroom hunts, cooking tips, gear reviews, and the occasional joke that may or may not involve fungus puns. I'm not a professional forager, but that just means that we'll be learning together, with a camera in hand and a laugh along the way. If you're ready to escape the toxic chaos of modern life and find something a little more grounded, literally, I'd love your support to get this thing off the ground.